A lot of our patients ask, how are we getting these amazing smiles that feel natural and are durable within one day? I would say this: extreme levels of preparation and high technology. One of the things we have here is a face scan. So before we start, we have a face scan of the patient and we match their teeth with that. So there's the broken down teeth. We have her face. So we have the smile design done before we actually start. So we're already working really hard to get this. It's like we don't have to go back and forth and do try-ins because we have the patient right here from all angles. So based off of that, we have the smile almost done before we start. Then on the day that the implants come in, get these scans all cropped up, and I was able to place the implants in a very perfect position so that everything feels really thin and smooth and you don't get these bulky restorations. So anyway, it's super high technology, goes really efficient, and we get awesome smiles in one shot.